My name is Samantha, and on behalf of Twitty & Company Realtors, I would like to welcome you to C129, the Black Stallion. Come on in, we're going to go over a couple of key features that this 24-bedroom house has to offer. Right now we're standing on the north stair tower. You can see the pool house right here, over here, and then the Currituck Club clubhouse is actually right there, and the ocean is right over here to the east. We are now entering the third floor wing, which features 6 of the master suites. We are now standing on the spacious deck at C129, the Black Stallion. As you can see, it's really large, great to entertain large groups. And you can also see that it is very private. Standing in the second level of the private pool house, which offers very private, luxurious suite, 12-foot tub with a 3-sided fireplace, a walk-in stand-up shower, a lot of room, and a private balcony. Right now we are on the private balcony of the level 2 pool house, and behind me you can see the back end of the house, which features all of the private balconies each room actually has. Right now we're standing at one of the holes at the Currituck Club golf course, which is an award-winning golf course created by Reese Jones.